Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your account progress on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. If you wish to reset your gaming progress within the eFootball game, if you already have connected your Google account or your Facebook account with your game, then this step will not work. However, if you don't have any of these accounts connected, then in order to reset your progress, you will simply need to open up your phone settings and then from the settings page, scroll down until you find the applications option. Tap on apps and this will show you all of the apps that are installed in your system. You can scroll down and search for the game manually or tap on the search option and then search for eFootball. Once you find the game, just tap on it and you will be taken into the application info page. If the game is still running, tap on the force stop button at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, you will find the clear cache as well as clear data option. In order to reset all of your game progress until now and start from a new one, you will need to tap on the clear data button. So tap on clear data and then tap on the delete button and this will delete all of your user data on the eFootball game. And now once all of your user data has been deleted, you can open up the game once again and you will see that you will be asked to start from the very beginning. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your game progress within the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.